Hello, this is RJ here with Engine Accessories. Today we're going to show you how to properly turn on your vacuum pump and a quick maintenance or just a quick check before you start your daily routine. So first thing we're going to do is when you get to a job site, your truck is on, you want to make sure your park brake is applied. If your park brake is not applied, you will not get any power to your pump's switch, which is in the rear. All right, so you're here at the rear now. You're about to start the first job of the day. The proper way of turning on your vacuum pump is to first your vacuum pump switch, and then second your rev up switch, which is already preset to a set RPMs that the pump needs to perform perfect. So always remember first your pump switch and then second your RPMs. It doesn't matter how you turn it off, but it's very important the way you're going to turn on the equipment. Pump first, rev up second. At this time, you have the equipment on. Everything's ready to go. Your hoses are running. You're ready to start suctioning at the first pit. So by this time, you already got the set inches of vacuum required to perform. So you're going to pull your lever, go back there, open up your hole, your valve, and start sucking. We showed you how to properly turn on your vacuum system. So now we're going to show you how to properly turn on your jetter system as well. Okay, so same thing as the other side. You want to make sure that your park brake is applied. If not, you're not going to get any power to your switches here. So before you start your day or before you start your route, you want to make sure you have enough water for the day in your 200 gallons of fresh water located in the front of your tank. So here's a side hose. Check your water level every single day. We don't want this jetter to get airlocked when it runs out of water. So the first thing is make sure you have enough water in your tank. Make sure that all your valves are properly open. Your spigot is closed. Your both supplies are open. This is a position. This is the open position. All right. Second, we come over here to a toolbox, and you want to make sure that the supply to the hose is open as well. So then, same thing as a vacuum system. Turn your jetter on first, and then second, your rev up. Like I said before, it doesn't matter how you turn it off, but it is very important the way you turn it on. So, jetter first, rev up second. At this point, you're ready to go. You're ready to start cleaning out your pits.